meron na po ba talagang na-receive ang kampo ni Vic Sotto ng copy ng script, and ano pong proof na meron po?
Si Direk Daryl Yap hindi po ipinagkakait o ipinatago itong script na ito doon sa pamilya. In fact, even before he started shooting, he gave a copy of the script to one of the siblings of the petitioner. And he's actually a very known and prominent person. And pinadaan ito through an intermediary na kilala din yung kabilang grupo. Makadalawa o tatlong beses yun na tinanong ni Direk Daryl kung merong reaksyon, may feedback, baka meron silang gustong idagdag. And there was none. So, ang totoo po niyan ay wala talagang intensyon na saktan ni Direk Daryl yung pong kabilang grupo. He was very much willing to share the script, with the other side so that they can also take inputs or whatever. Hindi ko ibubunyag yung laman ng script. But you see that the intention really is for them to give their inputs. Baka meron nga silang gustong idagdag. So wala pong intent whatsoever to damage anybody's reputation or even to try to hurt the petitioner at all. And it's just so sad that these cases had to be filed because this was never the intention of Direk Daryl na ito yung magiging resulta.
May receiving copy po ba, sir?
Meron kaming resibo. Hindi na namin kailangan na humingi pa ng receiving copy dahil yun naman pong intermediary ang nagsabi na nasa kanila na. And nakailang beses nga na tinanong kung ano ang reaction at sagot ay wala.
So this means kinonsult sila?
Well, there was an attempt to consult. The bottom line is that there is no intention to deceive, to hide, or to hurt. Wala yung actual malice. Walang mali siya. At lahat po nito ay really to give them an opportunity to respond. Kung kinakailangan, at that time, nung binigay yung script, hindi pa siya nagsushoot. And tinapos na lamang yung shoot, ito na lamang nung during the Christmas break. Kasi wala din namang feedback. So tuloy-tuloy lang.
Salamat po.